In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Insightly CRM. By the end, your Gmail inbox will be connected so emails can be tracked alongside your contacts, leads, and opportunities, helping your team keep communication organized and visible. Start by opening Insightly in your web browser and signing into the workspace you use for your day-to-day work. Give the page a moment to fully load so all menus are available. From the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen for your profile or settings menu. It's typically shown as your avatar or initials. Click that highlighted menu to open your personal options. Inside that menu, choose User Settings. This is where you control preferences tied to your account, including notifications, calendar connections, and email. Once you're on the User Settings page, find and select Email Settings. You'll land on a dedicated section for managing the email accounts that Insightly can access. If you've never added one before, this page will be mostly empty, but you'll see controls for adding a new account. Click Add Account. This is the starting point for linking your inbox. A panel or window will appear with choices for different connection types. Here, choose the classic email account option, then pick Gmail from the list. Selecting Gmail tells Insightly you want to connect your Google mailbox so email activity can be logged and, depending on your preferences, emails can be sent from within Insightly using that address. After you choose Gmail, Insightly will guide you through the connection on screen. You may see prompts to confirm the account you're connecting and to allow permission for Insightly to access your email. Continue through those on-screen steps in the same browser tab. If nothing happens, check for a blocked pop-up and allow it so the connection can complete. When the setup finishes, you'll return to Email Settings, where your Gmail account will appear as connected. If there are toggles for features like automatic email recording or default send from behavior, review them now so Insightly handles messages the way you expect. That's it. You went to Insightly, opened your profile menu, entered User Settings, navigated to Email Settings, clicked Add Account, and chose Classic Email Account with Gmail. If your organization manages permissions centrally, make sure you have approval for email connections. And if you switch between multiple Google profiles, confirm you're linking the right mailbox before you proceed. With Gmail linked, your team will have clearer context, faster follow-up, and a single source of truth for conversations right inside Insightly.